Hello and welcome to part 6 of my build series. It's gonna be a small video, this one, but yeah, this was 3 weeks ago. My friend Jais from J Performance was helping with a bass tune modification. He was kind of remote tuning it, and yeah, he just helped with making it idle better and more, yeah, drivable, I'd say. I think it'll come in next video, but yeah, this was the first start, so let's have a listen.
Yes.
That was a quick start. It's gonna cut to another shot of it starting, but yeah, it was a quite difficult moment because it was pretty much the first big hurdle. And yeah, my friend Martin is helping with all the initial setup.
Du drikker vand på, og der er benzin.
The drive-by-wire were a bit finicky, but yeah, I was rather. But yeah.
Lyder det rigtigt?
There was a trouble with the EVT not showing in the.
Det var også en uorganisk sensor, fordi den knak stikket, da jeg skilte den op.
Here's been started. It obviously smokes due to getting way too much fuel, but yeah. And the gearbox is also making noise.
Tak, Martin.
But yeah. And the next clip is, other than this one, is of me driving the car for the first time.
Du er ikke bange for noget, der rører ned i motoren? Okay, hva'?
This is a project that I'm still kind of working on. It's Samsung S10 due to it having the DeX system. It's a 7-inch 1080p touchscreen from AliExpress. I think I paid less than $70 or something like that. And the key is to, well, I should probably start by saying it's the original GPS navigation system that I've taken the screen out of, and then I've added that touchscreen. Mostly due to the fact that with the flip screen I can actually pretty much be in stealth mode, so no visible gauges and stuff. I'm still gonna use the original dash, so yeah. And it's very important when you here's the other parts I don't need, or at least the screen I don't need, and the bolts and such. Always make sure to keep them in a safe place, because you will need most of them when you reassemble. But yeah, the most important part when choosing your screen or tablet or whatever you end up choosing is to make sure it fits and that the power cables are at the top or bottom, because otherwise it won't fit. And yeah, this is just a proof of concept, so I wasn't finished. You see it's a bit wonky on the top left there, but yeah, when the card is getting keyed on, it will automatically flip. And I've made oh, here's for a package from AliExpress. I also made sure to use Automate some setup that when the screen sees power, or the phone rather, it'll start automatically and open the program MDash from MaxxECU. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I should probably do a dedicated video to the nav screen conversion, but yeah, this was just a quick video on that part of the build. I just figured I would end this video with a cute cat, and then I'll just end this by saying I hope I'll see you in part 7. Yeah, it shouldn't be too long. Thank you. Bye bye.